Hi everyone, welcome back to Save and Serve with Steph. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of a Christmas present that my husband got me this last year. So as you can see here, we got the Vitamix Alta Pro blender. My old blender was just a cheap old sort of Black & Decker, small, and it was getting worn out. Let's just say that. Not really blending anymore, and the motor was going. So I needed a new one, and my husband helped me pick this one out as a nice upgrade. Main reason why we did go with the Vitamix over, say, like a Ninja blender was the ability to do like hot soups, blending hot soups, hot liquids, I guess, to make it more smooth. In the past, I have tried making my own soup and using just a immersion hand blender to get the chunks broken down. It didn't really work out too well. So that's the main reason why we went with the Vitamix. But yeah, with that being said, let's get this thing open. All right, first thing to come out of the box is the blending container. It says here 8-cup capacity. My old blender was only 6 cups, so that'll be nice to be able to fit more in there at a time. All right, this blender also comes with a tamper. That'll be nice to be able to push any food down, especially when we're making like a smoothie, for example, and getting the fruit at the top closer to the blades at the bottom. So that'll be nice there. All right, we've got startup instructions and the product specifications. We also have honestly unsure what this is. Looks like a little cup and a holding bracket for it. I'll have to see what this is. And the most important part is the base. Definitely bigger than what I'm used to, but I am looking for more capacity and a better motor, so there we are. Now, I'm gonna just look in the manual here quickly just to see what this is. This just gives you a basic smoothie recipe. I want to look in here. Okay. Oh, it's the tamper holder. So that's what that does. And it looks like it just goes on the side. There's a little holding bracket here. Just push this in. That's what that's for. And that just goes on like so. And the lid. Just have to give a little pressure to push it down. There, I guess that's that. All right. There we go. My new Vitamix blender. Please stay tuned for future videos where I will test this blender out, use it in some recipes, and in a couple months' time, once I've used it a little more frequently, I can give a better product review on how I like it or dislike it, if there's anything I dislike about it. But so far, I am extremely happy. So in the meantime, hope you guys enjoyed watching, and we'll see you next time.